What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So recently I've had a few people reach out. I've done some videos on several different floor mats out there. Anyway, I've had several people ask about 3W, specifically floor mats, because they're designed to come with that carpet overlay that clicks on and clicks off. And anyway, I've had on my truck for about 6 months now, and here recently, last week, I've had 3 different people ask me how well they've held up. So I figured I'd do a review video, 6-month review video on them. And anyway, I've not cleaned them off. This is just kind of like how they've been on my truck for a while. I'm gonna open up the door, let you see what it looks like, and let's take a look at them. Alright, so you can see I got all kinds of crumbs and stuff up here, and that's the driver's side. You know, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take them out, show you how easy they are to clean, but I just want you to look at the kind of how they've held up. Here's the back seat, and you know, it contours very well, as you can see just around here, these edges. Again, it's been on here for 6 months. You can tell I've not done anything with it because look at all the dirt down through here. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the vacuum out, show you how well these cleans. Let me go to the passenger side real quick and let you see that one. And same thing here. You know, what I'm curious is there's salt here in Indiana, some of this white stuff. I'm curious if that won't come out. But they've held up super well. As you can see, I'm dirty around here, and it's, you know, it's got a little bit of dust on it. But I'm going to get the vacuum out. Let's see how well it cleans. Alright, so first off, if you look at this thing's held up super well. I didn't take them off much. I don't know, all I got is just a little interior cleaner here. Let's see how well this cleans off. Just had a little bit of salt buildup underneath it. We had a tough winter here in Indy. One time we had 13 inches of snow. My goal someday is to go move somewhere where it's warmer, because I don't know, I've just not experienced anything other than Indiana weather. I lived in Ohio and Illinois, which the weather is pretty much the same there. You be the judge. To me, it looks pretty darn clean. I got a little spot here I want to focus on a little bit. That could just be wear. Again, these are 6 months old, so some wear is to be expected. Tell you what, that was just salt buildup. 6 months. That's how long I've had this thing in my truck. Take a look at that. The 2024, the paint's wearing off. These have held up. These have held up better in the winter than my factory steps. So let's look at the fabric. Super thick. It's nice thick fabric. What I noticed is on the bottom side, you can tell some of the salt got through it. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to wipe the bottom off first, just because that bothers me. I got a feeling it's just going to wear out on the other stuff. Alright, just like that, and the bottom looks new again. Now up here on top, my biggest complaint is right here. I don't know if you can pick it up and hold it closer to you. And that's just like from salt buildup here in Indiana. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and spray it with this stuff here. I'm going to try to agitate it with my brush. Not too bad. I'm gonna hit these other spots that are bugging me. No magical spray, just interior cleaner. This is the Salty Captain. This is the name of this brand here. I use chemical gas quite a bit too. Both good brands. I thought I cleaned up real well. Look how clean that is there. Even around the edge, got it real nice and clean. And then this thing looks brand new. I mean, that shows just a tear of what I'd say use on it. This one looks brand new. I'm going to throw them back in that truck, let you look at them. blades on top, and you basically just snap them in just like that. Take you around the other side again. Contours very well on all the edges. Again, all the edges there, all the way around, even here. And I like the fact that this is a one piece from the manufacturer, both on the Sierras and Silverados. It's got like a zigzag effect there. You got to hold them together, match them together. But this is all one piece. I mean, just easier to clean and looks a little bit nicer as well. All right, gang, so this was a requested video. If you have any request video for me as well, or anything I put on my truck, or any questions you have, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. This is from a company called 3W. I've had them on my truck for about 6 months. I'll drop the link in the description in case you have more information that maybe I didn't share on here. If they do have a discount code, all those things too, I'll include those down in the description. But gang, more than anything, I just want to say thank you for all your support watching this channel. I've been on this channel for almost 2 years now. Started the dedication of my father on his truck, and your support just means so much to me. My dad was big on helping others, and so that's what I'm trying to put this channel behind. If there's things I can do to help others, that's what I want to do. So if you have any help, hit me up. I'm on social media out there at F150_boss, and you can always comment down below. I love comments, not seen very many of it lately, which hopefully means I'm doing a good job with my videos, but if not, tell me. Y'all have a great day, and thanks again.